Apparently I'm driving too slow, man. Got Ferrari just passing me up like nothing. Damn, dude. How dare I? That's a Lambo and an Audi R8. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Cool Case. We are back for another video out in Santa Clarita. Gotta hit up the Nike clearance store. Let's go see what they got, man. Let's see what they got. Did talk to one of the homies earlier. He did tell me that they had all kinds of heat this morning. And he said that they restocked. They restocked the heat card a couple of times while he was here. Hopefully they got something. All right, let's go see what they got. Let's go see what they do have the heat card out. Oh, they got heat. Let's go see what's up. All right, so getting some creeper cam action. They do have a couple of LeBron 20s. I think they got the original colorway and then the bread one right there. A couple of mids, some dunk highs. Whenever they got mids, they sell for like $70. The LeBrons and all that stuff, they'll be $100 at most. So yeah, you really can't find a ton of great deals. Even the Vapor Max stuff, to be able to get that for $100. But yeah, remember, nothing over $100. So yeah, LeBrons, Jordans can get tons and tons of steals. But yeah, they do got LeBron 20s, multiple LeBron 20s there. Pretty fire, man. Got a couple of people that told me they had heat all morning. Dang. They're bringing more and more stuff. They got what is it? The Jordan 12 Golf right there on the top right. Then they also got the some Jordan 1 lows that they got, and then some 37s. They got 37s right there. And then yeah, some more Jordan 1 lows. That's a size 10 right there. And then some 11 low IEs. They got all kinds of stuff. Holy guacamole. Yeah, dang, they got a ton of stuff today. All right, let's check out the aisles. Yeah, that heat section pretty crazy, dude. I didn't want to just have a camera on their face and stuff, so kind of stay further away. They had multiple LeBrons there, multiple Jordan mids, multiple Jordan lows. Like the Jordan lows was $60. The mids go for what, 70? So yeah, man, they do have deals. All right, let's look here. Dang, it's totally full. No empty spots. Okay. LeBron 19s going for $100. I feel like that's what they should be. That's what's up. Got the LeBron Old Palmers going for $100 as well. Dang, got like a ton of LeBron 19s here. Not too many 20s, but they still have those here too. I don't know why size 7s right here, but they got the LeBron 18 lows go for $70. I've never even seen these before. Infinity Tour Next Percents. Guess they're the golf cleats with zoom on it. You need that for golf, really? Holy crap, damn, dude. Talk about over engineering. That's crazy. And the size 10.5. I've never even seen these before. The trainer ones. Holy crap, I've never even seen this. Like a turbo green trainer. Never seen that. Ooh, look at that leather. Oh my goodness. Holy crap, that is fire. $60 for these. I've never seen that. That's crazy. I mentioned I'm in the 10.5, right? Oh, this is size 11. Alpha Fly Next Percent go for $100. Fire. There's a 10.5 right here. I think these, do I need them in a size 10? Do I need these? I didn't bring my gift card, god dang it. Oh my god, the Zoom X on these are just insane comfy. I think it's the stack, and the fact that it's Zoom X, like the entire midsole is Zoom X. I think the Pegasus Turbo is Zoom X and some React on it. So man, these are insane. Oh my god, if I had my gift card, I might just pull the trigger. A lot of room on the toe box, like tons of room on the toe box. Maybe too much room. Oh my god, that is insane though, dude. Do I need these? No. Do I want them? Yeah. They do have a second version that is out. Damn, these are insane. Wow, almost dropped it. Next time I come here, if I have my gift cards with them, I have to pull the trigger on that. Dude, got the LeBron 19 lows for $70. Well, I need to reiterate this. $275 down to $100. $275 to $100. That's insane. Don't see any J's here. Pretty much all the J's get scooped up. Even with the low resale prices right now, like prices are still so low here. I do got these Harachis going for 100. This is a size 11 though. Let's run the size 11s. It's all good. $50. Oh my goodness, 50 bucks for these Witness 7s. I don't even think I've seen this colorway. These look pretty dope, dude. These ain't bad. 50 freaking dollars. Okay, we see multiple of the Alpha Fly Next percent. So, all right, I'm gonna be able to get one the next time I come. Back to the 11th. Vomero 16s going for $70. Another Vaporfly Next or another Alpha Fly Next percent right there. Size 11. You know I'm getting lazy when I'm just pointing down there. Look, Air Max 97. This is size 12. This just reminds me how heavy these are. Holy crap. I forgot how heavy Air Max 97s are. These are fire for $80. Are you serious? Wow. Ooh, we are seeing them here. I said I would get these if I see my size. And eventually I will. $60 for this? These are fire for 60 bucks. Oh, hell yeah. These are fire. This is the mid version. I'm gonna have to grab one of these if I find one eventually. That's a 12 and a half. Air Raids going for 70, size 11. Tons of these, size 12 right here. And a bunch of these in different sizes too. I forgot to show you guys the SB Zoom Verona slip premiums down to $40. You need sprinting flats or sprinting cleats. So sprinting spikes, my bad. $30 for these. Okay. They're normally $110. Zoom Victory cross trainer 5s. Wait, not cross trainers, cross country 5s. Terra Kigers going for 70. We've seen these cheap at the regular outlets. Ooh, got the Oneonta sandals going for $35. I have to learn how to pronounce all kinds of weird stuff. Nike React Infinity Run Flying 2s going for $80. $80 for these. Not the same one we just saw, different colorway though. Multiple colorways now, size 13s. Look at that. Size 13. You usually find a bunch of sneakers for hoops. I just see a bunch of running sneakers for size 13s right now. Dang, size 14's kind of the same thing too. Got the Defy All Days going for 30. I do got some down here, but these are 14 and a halves. Do got these dusty what's the Kyrie 6s, 60. Also got these right here, down to 60. 14 and a halves right there. The Zoom BBN XTs. Those are what? $40? Yeah, that's definitely the cheapest we've seen those. Holy crap. Finally, some size regular 14s. Not 14 and a half, going for 60. Principal Run Flyknits go down to 80. Fly Next percents as well. Seen that in tons of sizes. 15s. Tempo Next percents down to $50. Oh my goodness. If I found that my size, I'd definitely grab those. Damn, that's just too cheap, too comfy. Bunch of 15 and a halves. Stuff that's 4 and 2. You big feet gang, half sizes. We got other 15s right here. $30. $30 for Kyrie 6s right here. And some budget sneakers, some Quest and stuff. Ain't nobody looking at that. What the heck? Another one of these going for 50. Wow. I was like, are these some Stan Smiths? No, dude. I don't know what the hell these are. These are samples. Man. Okay, I can't read that. Oh, Blazer Lows? These don't really look like Blazers. But okay, they're here. They're samples. $60, size 9. Checking out more of the size 9, smaller sizes right here. Pegasus 37s going for 60. Pegasus 39s, these just came out. They already got them. Size 6. These are going for 60 bucks. Okay, a little more streamlined, I guess. Doesn't look too different. The outsole looks a little different, or the midsole. The midsole looks different from the newer ones. Still has Zoom Air, it looks like. Okay, $60, damn. What are these LeBrons out there? These are 8.5, going for 100 bucks. More LeBron Palmers go for 100, that's size 9. Metcon Turbos go for 70. Air Force One boots go for 100 bucks. These might be a solid boots because I do need a pair of boots. Maybe that might be better than, it'll be cheaper than the Jordan boots. You buy them here at least at the store. I think retail they're about the same. $80 for the Air Max Genomes. Some thongs. There's some size 9,000 going for 30. Okay. SC Pegasus 38 is going for 60. Tuned Max going for 100. Checking out the size 8s. Is this the first pair of Jordans that we've seen in the aisles right here? $60 for the center courts right here. Go Fly E's going for 60. More LeBron Palmers go for 100. Infinities, the Kyrie Infinities, that is $60 for those. Why is a women's OG here? That's funny. 70 for those. Kyrie Fly Traps, an outlet staple going for 40. 8014s, I've never seen that colorway. NRGs go for 70. Damn, we found plenty of stuff, and found stuff that we've never even seen here. Man, that's just crazy. All right, got a few more things to see. I am looking for a jacket or a hoodie for one of my peoples. $30 for these? Holy crap, this is, oh, it's yoga. I was like, why is it so low cut if it's trying to keep you warm? But yoga stuff doesn't make sense sometimes. So there's that. Got a ThermaFit right here. $195 down to $60. $195 down to $60. I don't even have any ThermaFit stuff. Just Tech Fleece, that's all I got. That's all I could afford. But $60, I could afford this. Hell of a deal. Got mediums, got smalls, got larges, and then got double XL. Okay. USA Running long sleeve. These are smalls, $30. Do got these hoodies. I'm not a fan of these, but yeah, these are 25. Double XL right here. Still got the Kenya Running jackets. These are extra small. I don't know the price though. These are what, $40. Nike SB long sleeve shirt going for $15. That's a hell of a deal. Damn, I thought this would be the one spot where they got hoodies for sure. Man, they just got those blue ones. I'm not a fan. The hoodies just sold out because, what, a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago, they had a ton here. Gotta move quick, man. Gotta move quick. Dang it. Dang it, I wanted one of those. Dang it, wanted a hoodie. Dang it, $40 for that one. Got a Rams blank jersey going for 40. No backpacks here, just those Zion backpacks right there. Damn, they don't got nothing that I need right now. God dang it. We got PSG balls right here. PSG balls go for $10. Dang, normally $33 down to $10. That's actually pretty freaking cheap. Man, dude, that's cheap. All right, these are $10. This is a size 5, which is for adults. They got these as well. This one's underinflated though. These are $10 as well. I don't know what team this is though. I don't know what team it is. I'm sure some of you guys know. These are normally $20 down to $10. They got size 4s, and then they got this one size 5. Yeah, I'm gonna grab this for someone I know. Dang, no backpacks and no hoodies. Those are like two staples that I can always find here, but don't have either here. God dang it. Oh, all right. At least I got one thing. Whatever. Of course, had to check one more time. Nothing new here. Nothing new. All right. PSG Nike soccer ball, $10. $10 plus tax. Not too shabby. Normally 30. All right. I know someone who needs one.